Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be making origami egg with the chick. It can be used as decorations in Easter parties. I'll be taking 15 cm by 15 cm square sheet of paper and I'll be starting with the diagonal fold. Now we need a point here, so from this point make a cone shape and just make a pinch mark over here. Now bring this tip to this mark and make a crease. Now bring the other tip to this point and make a new crease. Fold this flap outwards by keeping it parallel to this flap. Make a new crease. Open the other flap and repeat the same thing. Now fold small triangles here to give a curve shape to the face of the chick. Then turn the model and lift one flap up to these 2 points. Then bring this tip down to this point. Then we have to divide this area into 3 equal portions. For that, bring down this flap by keeping it equal distance and fold it one more time. Now this is divided into 3 portions equally. Open the flap and do the zigzag fold. Turn the model and fold a triangle upside, and in the sides also fold small triangles inside to create a curve shape. Origami egg with the chick is done. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.